Hi everyone, this is Stephanie Geiger, and I'm going to take you on a tour of Windows 11, which is the new Windows that is being rolled out. This is across the board. This is not a HenHUD decision. This is a Microsoft decision. So all Microsoft devices, this is going to be the desktop. All right, so one big change is that now when you log in, you will need to put in your entire email address. So the @henhudschools.org must be included in your username. Once you're logged in, your computer will look like this. It's a little more bubbly. It's just a different kind of look. One big change is that the start menu is no longer all the way in the left corner. This is all just actually a Microsoft widget thing with news and traffic and weather. But the start menu is actually here next to the search bar. This on the bottom is called the taskbar. And on yours, when you start, this search will likely be in the center of the taskbar. So this little Windows icon might be moved closer to the center. So if you go ahead and click on the Start button, it will show you some apps that I have pinned to my Start menu. It also will suggest some apps, maybe things that you have used recently. And if you would like to put different apps on your taskbar, the way that you do that is from the Start menu, you're going to go to All Apps. I'm going to find my Google Drive app because I would like to add that to the taskbar. I'm going to right-click, and you'll notice it already is pinned to my Start menu. So it's asking me, do I want to unpin it? I do not. More is I'm going to pin to taskbar. Once I do that, you'll notice that it is here on my taskbar. I can move it to a new location where I think it will be the most useful. I'm going to move it here next to my file manager. This chat is a Microsoft, and you can't actually get rid of it or move it, which is a little annoying. Because I'm not going to be using that chat feature at all. That's kind of like Google Meets, but for Microsoft, so we're not going to use that. But all of the other files that you might need or apps that you might need, this is the snipping tool. I use that quite frequently. I put a calculator there. I use that quite frequently as well. So this is all obviously up to your personal choice and your personal needs on what you want to pin. Besides that, in the settings, you might want to take a look through the settings for the system display. You can change your background. I'm going to turn night light on because for me it's too bright otherwise. So my advice is to go through these settings and see what works for you and what you would like your settings to look like on your device. Besides that, that is the biggest change, is that the Start menu is here, the search is now moved here to the center, and the taskbar is here on the bottom. All right, thank you.